The Nighthawk X6 is here, and it's incredible. The X6 delivers a massive combined wireless speed of up to 3.2 gigabits per second. There's never been Wi-Fi like it. Even if everyone and everything in the home that's connected to the internet is streaming, gaming, working, playing, socializing, or updating at the same time, the X6 won't miss a beat. You'll enjoy seamless clarity and lag-free response. Using breakthrough tri-band Wi-Fi technology, the X6 combines the power of 3 Wi-Fi signal bands to supercharge network data capacity, allowing more devices to simultaneously connect at faster data rates than ever before. The X6 optimizes Wi-Fi performance by intelligently assigning every device to the fastest Wi-Fi band possible. By doing so, the X6 allows devices to connect and perform unhindered by slower devices, meaning all devices load, stream, and game at their maximum speed. The X6 will also do load balancing across the two 5 GHz bands to ensure both the bands are utilized, ensuring you are using your home network to get the best Wi-Fi performance. The 6 high-performance antennas ensure you get ultimate coverage everywhere, pushing high-fidelity Wi-Fi to every corner of your home. The X6's 2 USB ports allow you to connect printers and storage drives to your home network and access them wirelessly at gigabit speeds. Stream and share the content on smart TVs, game consoles, and PCs, or play music on any Apple AirPlay compatible device in the home. Even backups are made simple with Netgear's ReadyShare Vault backup software. Easy to set up and customize, the Nighthawk X6 changes what's possible. Don't let your Wi-Fi limit you. The Netgear Nighthawk X6, the tri-band Wi-Fi router that delivers more Wi-Fi to more devices.
Life is full of choices. So, don't just judge a cable by its cover. Because it's what's on the inside that counts. The right choice isn't always clear. Until you put it to the test. And then, you know. So now, it's time to take charge. To use your power. The power to choose better. Better performance, better durability, better quality. Better with Belkin.
Hello to Echo Show 5. It connects to Alexa to show you rich visuals with crisp room-filling sound. Listen to your favorite music from all your favorite places. Manage compatible smart home devices with the Echo Show 5. And with Alexa routines, just ask Alexa to turn on the lights, switch on the geyser and more with a single command. Echo Show 5 can stream your favorite music videos, movie trailers and how-to videos. It can also help you with the latest cricket score or the news. Ask Alexa to help you manage your day by setting reminders, adding things to your shopping cart and more. Alexa, remind me about yoga class at 4 p.m.
Setting a reminder for yoga class at 4 p.m.
Call your Alexa contacts and Skype contacts like your friend Sanjay.
Calling Sanjay.
Hey you can instantly connect to another device with drop-in. Alexa, drop in on Dad. Hi Pa. It can check in on your little human like this. Alexa, show me the kids' room. Best of all, Echo Show 5 and Alexa are always getting smarter and adding new features and skills. Echo Show 5 from Amazon.
I use Zepp because it gives me feedback on every shot instantly. Zepp's 3D analysis instantly shows you the most important metrics around your swing. Having this data as a golfer is priceless and will allow you to improve faster, track your performance, and maintain your swing day to day.
Zepp's instant evaluations are the fastest way to get detailed analysis on your swing. Take an instant eval and we'll break down your swing and recommend the right training program just for you.
Zepp's Smart Coach will help you work on the most important aspects of your swing, the things myself and other golf professionals always focus on.
Even measure your swing and its consistency with the course mode feature. If you have a Zepp 2 sensor, you'll improve faster and be able to track your progress from the range to the course.
Start training like the best players in the world and Zepp your swing.
Hey Vector, what's the weather?
30 degrees and snowing.
Alexa, turn up the heat to 75. Alexa, remind me to buy milk tomorrow at 6 p.m.
Okay, I'll remind you tomorrow at 6 p.m.
Hey Vector, want to play blackjack?
17. Another card.
Hit me.
26. You busted.
Alexa, add Beat the Dealer to my shopping list.
I added Beat the Dealer to your shopping list.
Hey Vector, go home. Alexa, turn the lights off.
Meet ecobee Switch Plus, the light switch with Amazon Alexa built in. So you can turn the lights on and off with your voice, your phone, or when you enter or exit a room. Ask to help avoid traffic jams. Order more jam. Even pump up the jam.
Okay, pumping up the jam.
Switch on smarter lighting and say hello to voice control in every room. With ecobee Switch Plus, turning on the lights is just the beginning.
Introducing August Smart Lock Pro, our most advanced smart lock yet. With August, your phone is now your key, letting you securely unlock and lock your door using the August app. You can even set August to auto unlock, so August knows when you arrive using Bluetooth. You can set it to auto lock, so when you leave, August locks the door behind you, kind of like your own personal doorman. On your August app, you can create secure, temporary keys for family, friends, even service people. Grant access for a few weeks or a few hours. You decide. You never have to worry about copies of keys getting into the wrong hands again. August Smart Lock Pro comes with Connect Wi-Fi Bridge, giving you remote access to your front door. Like when your mom shows up 3 hours early. Simply use your August app to securely let people in from anywhere. Even if you're miles from home, you can remotely check and lock your door from your August app. And with our DoorSense technology, you can always make sure your door is not only locked, but closed. You can even ask Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant to securely lock and unlock your front door. August is also Apple HomeKit ready. And August is a certified Z-Wave Plus technology provider. August attaches to your existing deadbolt on the inside of your door. Installation takes minutes, and you can keep your existing lock and keys. Available on Android and iOS. August, the key to your smart home.